Breathe that healthy breath. I know it's all of you that I get. One bedroom flat, I lock the door and put that photo of her on the floor. Been here for hours, it's getting dark. This is bad. Your hands make up for the love we don't have. You shower, so beautiful, the way the water drips on your phone. I always knew you were too good for me and that we would never be. We shared a last set cigarette. It is the least thing that I regret. Now close the door, leave you asleep.